About our American country, a democratic nation with a population of over 10 million people, the Dominican Republic has a territory stretching 48,442 square kilometers, 18,704 square miles. That's just over twice the size of New Jersey, or nearly the size of Costa Rica. Its coveted shores face the Caribbean Sea in the south and the Atlantic Ocean in the north. As of 2017, 6,187,542 overnight visitors and more than 1,100,000 cruise passengers make their way to the Dominican Republic every year. Quisqueya, as Dominicans affectionately call their home, meaning mother of all lands, is a country of superlatives. This was the first permanent Spanish settlement in the Americas, or the New World, with the arrival of Christopher Columbus on his first voyage in 1492. Aside from choosing the Doctor as his sole residence in the region, a land blessed with fertile soil and gold deposits, Columbus and the Spanish crown used the country as a launching pad for conquests across the Caribbean and United States. Today, the first city of the Americas, Santo Domingo, is the capital of the Drive and continues to thrive while preserving its history and original Spanish architecture.